In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink toner of your Brother HLL2405W printer. First step is to open the front chamber, so you can pull it to the outside. There is a handle here, you just have to remove the toner by pushing it outside. Release the toner drum. Now take your new toner, and first we have to place this toner here. So you just have to place it like this. Press it from here, it will lock. The chip should face up and the logo or the Brother should be facing up. Now slide it in. Once you hear a lock sound, that means it is installed properly, and then you just have to close this and you can start using it. Thanks for watching.